Respected Director, my dear friends Sumita, Muni, and my dear brothers and sisters of this great institution, and my dear faculties, good evening to one and all. Good evening. Okay, so I am not a motivational speaker like Smita, who was doing just before. Basically, I am an entrepreneur. When I came to your institution, because we are the suppliers for writing boards. You must be having this green board in your classrooms, green chalk board, marker boards. Those boards we are the manufacturers, and we are also providing smart classroom solutions, projectors, projector screens. Now, these are all our business actually. So I came some 1 month back or 20 days back to your institution to for a small demonstration of the product. When I was discussing with the director, I told I would like to share my thoughts. As an entrepreneur, I came from a very small village, very humble background, and today when I am able to do business today in Chennai, when I am able to employ 60 plus people, indirectly 100 plus suppliers, we are able to do. What I thought, you are all more fortunate to study in city, from study in city schools. You are fortunate, your parents are all well off, so you have got all this opportunities. So you can go in the entrepreneurship is the big talk today by the Indian government. They are giving all sort of facilities to become an entrepreneur, because the entrepreneur is the person who can create opportunities for others. Do you agree?
Yes.
Entrepreneur is a person who can give opportunities for others, for employment, or for he is a revenue earner. Supposing you become an exporter, then you are earning foreign revenues for the country, foreign exchange revenues for the country, isn't it? So government is giving all sort of training, all sort of funds. Even today I am going to talk, when I am going to talk about the funding, this thing, there are government banks today giving loan without security. You know what is a security? You are all business students. You must be knowing what is a security for a loan.
Yes.
What is the security for a loan? See, you want a loan for your business. You may have to give your property, like your house or your land, whatever you are having, you have to give. In case if I am not paying the money, this property may be taken. That is the collateral security they are arranging it. Now, many people are not able to give property because they don't have a property. So, because of that, they should not be denied the business. So, just because of that opportunity, government is giving collateral free security loan. That means you don't have to give any house, you can borrow the loan. So, tons and tons of money is available for projects. They are ready to fund it. So, we, our business, as a business students, you have more responsibility to think about entrepreneurs. How many of you want to become entrepreneurs in this forum now? Can you please raise it a little better? Those who want to become entrepreneurs. Okay. Then, can I talk about how to become a better employer? So, because when I see few of them, I can call them to my office and I can conduct this entrepreneur, because the topic may not be relevant. Is there any reason any one of you can, tell? Mike, you just pass the mic to them. So, I want, see, one thing I want to tell you now is, there are, you can say, there can be two category of people. What are the two category of people? One is an employer. Come on. See, how will you be comfortable in English or will you be comfortable in Tamil? You tell me, whichever it is okay. English, okay, you will be comfortable in English. Then in that case, I am only asking you, there are two sets of people. One is employer, other one is a employee. Okay. When you are studying, how many of you are first year here? Okay. So rest of them are to second year actually. Rest of them are second year. So my intention is, I asked the director to give the first year students, with the intention is that we can create entrepreneurs. I will tell you, because for those who have not decided to become an entrepreneur, probably you can give a deep thought, why not me? Is it, what to say, does it make sense? After my presentation, because I am an entrepreneur, I am coming from a very remote village. When I can do it, I am confident, 100% confident, every one of you in this auditorium can become an entrepreneur. See, entrepreneurship is not that, don't think that entrepreneurship means that you have to, what to say, become a Tata-like company like that. Any small enterprise you start, be on your own. That means any small investment you can put and you can become an entrepreneur. Not only the money, many times money is not a matter. Our mindset is the matter. Okay, how many of you have seen these ladies who are entrepreneurs in the, what to say, most of the, what to say, Chennai city, you can see in the park, morning when you are going for walk or when you are starting to your school or college, you can see them set up their small vegetable shop in front of the park. They will be selling vegetables, fruits and some of the items. Do you think, what to say, it is an easy job? Can we say that particular lady an entrepreneur? Okay. See, many of the businesses today, she is in perishable goods. You see the amount of risk she is taking. In case she buys vegetables for about 2,000 rupees. When she is not able to sell it, say 2,000 rupees she buys vegetables, she sells for about 1,500 and balance 500 is left out, vegetables is left out. Then what will be the situation? Loss. Now she has to understand the previous day's sale, previous month's sale, and based on that she has to plan, and she has to set up the shop even before anyone comes to the park. So there are a lot of things which is involved in doing this small business, whereas we are studying here about various things. Do you study about customer service here? Do we study about leadership? So we study about lot of things, then we can do business. That's what I want to say. Every one of us, please give a thought. What is an entrepreneur? See, entrepreneurship mindset, which is what I am going to talk now. See, this is me, and I run 3 companies. One is, I told you, Corporate Concepts, which is into manufacturing of writing boards. Other one is a smart classroom solution. The other one is a solar company. All the 3 companies put together is called Indo Group. Okay, based in Chennai and T Nagar. And sorry. Out of my experience, I have written one sentence which is deep. I thought about it. Can anyone of you, can we read it louder? So what does it mean? When Shivanadar can establish what? When Shivanadar can establish what? HL group. HL group, evlo beriya group. Today, What is telling? Backbench. If somebody wants to become a speaker, I will give the opportunity right now. Okay, so we can say when it is possible for Narayana Murthy of Infosys, when it is possible for Sivanadar of HCL, such big entrepreneurs, when they can make, they started in a small way. 20 years, 1985, Narayana Murthy is not known to the world. Do you agree? Today he is world renowned entrepreneur, you can call it as, correct? So that is why I say here, when it is possible for someone else, it is possible for you and me. We can do together also. Yes. Now I am going to tell you what is a mindset. What do you mean by mindset? That's what when Sumita was telling, you form some opinion about yourself, about the speaker. In case even, I'll tell you, now you may have told that director would have given an information that such and such person is going to conduct some class and all those things. Okay, what you will think? So what is he going to take? Because most of the information I am getting from my course itself. What I am going to get extra? So we form some opinion. Anyway, director is telling, otherwise I can, this is Friday evening, if I go early, I can play with my friends and I can go out. Okay? So I can spend with my family or my friends, or I can go for a matinee show or whatever it is we can, because nearby you have got lot of theaters are there. You can easily spend your time. But end of the day, I will tell you, my dear friends, if I am today, it is not because of anything I have brought from my parents. That means money or whatever it is. Sheer knowledge what I have gained. Every piece of information, wherever there is some training program, wherever somebody is speaking, wherever we meet some people, so I will go eagerly to go and update myself. Even you can say, in my family, if you look at my family, my brothers and sisters used to fail in 10th standard and 12th standard. Whereas somehow with some great difficulty, I could pass. I am not telling that I am a very born genius and all actually. I could pass and come out of that village. I came to Chennai for searching for some employment. When I searching for employment, I didn't get a proper opportunity. When I didn't get a proper opportunity, I started a coaching center for school students because I have to survive. Every month in Chennai city, if we have to be here, at least 10,000 rupees to 15,000 rupees we have to have. We have to give the room rent and all those things. So we have to do something. So with that inspiration, I started coaching 10th standard plus 2 students for English and Maths. So when I don't myself have trouble in English, from a village, Tamil medium I studied up to, so when I have to learn, that means tomorrow is my fear. Fear is I have to get food tomorrow. In that case, I have to teach the children effectively, then only they will give the fees, isn't it? That means I have to prepare the previous day how I can teach the children tomorrow. In the process, I learned a lot. So what I am trying to say is, every person is an opportunity. Whenever your institution brings some guest faculty or you within your teachers, lot of things you can learn from them. You can contact them on periodic basis and you can associate yourself. I am going to talk about that. So what I am telling you is, there is a mindset. What is a mindset? If I have thought I am a villager, I don't have any chance of doing business, then today I will not be there, or somewhere I will be working in a small job. In front of you, I would not have come and spoken to you. Correct? Okay. Now, how to form a mindset? Any one of you have studied about the book Positive Mental Attitude? There is a book which is available in the platforms also, you can go and buy. Who is the author? I think I don't remember actually. There is one for international author. He says there is 2 attitudes. One is positive mental attitude. The other one is negative mental attitude. What is a positive mental attitude means? I can do it. I will do it. I will come. This is positive. When you say, I can't do it, I will not come, I can't do it, I don't have knowledge. So, this is a negative attitude. See, this the difference between this both attitude is, if your attitude is positive, then you will try to reach towards such initiatives. That means you will form an opinion to form a company, or you will become an entrepreneur. You will aim to become an entrepreneur. Okay. Now, so we have to form an entrepreneur mindset. How I can do business? What business I have to choose? What is within my limits? What I can do? With the help of my friends, how I can do a small business? A group of friends like you have joined in many businesses earlier. The business today, many businesses are run by close friends. We can form a business with 2-3 friends. You can join together and you can start a business. That is also another opportunity. So, you please form a positive attitude towards entrepreneurship, so that you will become a business person or an entrepreneur. Let me come to the what is an entrepreneurship. Anyone of you can read, please? Okay, what does that mean? Yeah, within the society there are so many. Why a hotel business came into existence? How hotel business came into existence? I am asking you, please. See, people used to travel. When they travel, they can't eat food at home. Like, see, you are going to Vellore today for some work. Today you have to stay there. So, there is a problem. You need food. So, such one person has identified that people who are constantly in travel need to come to hotel. So, likewise, if you analyze, society has got so much of needs. Like today, everybody is busy. Why there is a laundry is available today? No time. Otherwise, we have our in our house we have washing machine, we have iron box. We don't need a laundry. But laundry business is flourishing today. Most of the house we don't iron ourselves. We don't have time. Both mother and father is working. Where is the question of ironing for the children? So they give it outside. So there is a problem. Now, how takeaway business came into existence? Takeaway business, like you call, they will bring the food to your home delivery. Yes, takeaway or home delivery. How it came into existence? No time, because we can order from the office. We can go home. By the time we reach home, both the husband and wife will have the food by getting from the home delivery system actually. So, likewise, in society, there are so much of problems. If you find a solution, you can make it an opportunity and you can become a business. You can make a business. So, now, does it make sense? Identify a problem, offer a solution, that becomes your business. Now, what are the challenges? Now, because I said I have seen only 10% of the people have only raised your hands to become an entrepreneur. I know why. You also know why. Because our parents used to say, what do they say? Study well and get a good job. Marry. So, that is correct. What you say, that is also an issue. I will tell you why. See, when you complete your college, your post-graduation, say 22, 23 years, you complete it. By the time you get a job, so out of the 25 or 26 or 27, you can get get settled in marriage, because the people who, whether it is a bride or bridegroom, parents are concerned. They will not give a person who is trying with his enterprise, small enterprise, whether it may be a success or it may be a failure. There are chances actually. But on the other hand, we have to build image. How to build image? How to build image? So, yes. So, right from the college days, right from the school days, you think how you can early entry into the business. See, mostly 27, 28 or 29 is the ideal age for male to get married. So 29 means ample years age is there. See, around what age majority of you complete your MBA? 22, 23. When you complete, you have 6 years. Okay, 6 years is a big period you can settle in life in entrepreneurship, because even 1 year also enough, because from this time onwards, from the first year onwards, you look for opportunities. You open the newspaper. You know how I came to projector business? Technology company. First we used to market only marker boards or pin boards or notice boards. I came to projector business because I used to read the newspaper looking for opportunities. Even today, if I open the newspaper, I can spot 10 opportunities. Any one of you interested, please contact me. I can freely give you the ideas on finding the opportunities. There are lots and lots of opportunities. Only thing is there is no willingness with us. That's what the other day when I was talking to the director, I was telling about, there is no willingness. If you are willing, the whole world is ready to support you. The whole universe is ready to support you. But we are not ready. When we are ready, I am telling you seriously, the whole world and the universe is ready to serve you to achieve your dreams. Now, challenge, let us, as we discussed, let us think about the challenges in family. In family, அப்பா அம்மா என்ன சொல்லுவாங்க? ஒழுங்கா வேலையை பாடுறாடே, ஏதாவது ஒரு வேலை கிடைச்சுன்னா ஹெச்எல் ஒரு இன்ஃபோசிஸ், அவன் பார் பக்கத்து வீட்டில் அவன் பார் இன்ஃபோசிஸில் வேலை பார்த்துருக்கிறான், அவன் ஹெச்எல்ல வேலை பார்த்துருக்கிறான், அவன் வந்து அமெரிக்கா போய் வேலை பார்த்துருக்கிறான். உண்மையா சொல்லுவாங்களா? எல்லாரும் அதை தான் நம்ம பண்ணுவோம். ஆனால் வேலை பார்க்குறவங்களை கேட்டிங்கன்னா, அந்த மாதிரி கம்பெனியில் வேலை பார்க்குறவங்களை கேட்டிங்கன்னா, ஒரு என்ன மாதிரியான ஒரு மெக்கானிக்கல் லைஃப் ஆகி போச்சு. காலையில் நம்ம ஸ்ரீபெரும்புதூர்லையோ எங்கேயோ இருக்கு அவங்களோடது, காலையில் எவ்வளோ பெரிய இன்டெலிஜென்ட்டாக இருந்தாலும் காலையில் எத்தனை மணிக்கு கிளம்பணும்? 4 o'clock எழுந்திரிச்சு 5 o'clock எழுந்திரிச்சு காலையில் சாப்பாடை கட்டிக்கிட்டோ இல்லை சாப்பாடு அங்கே கொடுத்தானா இங்கேருந்து 7 மணிக்கு பஸ்ஸில் ஏறி உட்காரணும். பஸ்ஸில் ஒரு 2 மணி நேரம் தூங்கிக்கிட்டே போய் அங்கே போய் இறங்கி வேலை பார்த்து திரும்பி மறுபடியும் அங்கேருந்து வரதுக்கு ஒரு 2 மணி நேரம், கடைசியாக வந்து வீட்டுக்கு வந்து சேரும்போது அப்பாடான்னு இருக்கும். அப்பாட்டையும் பேச முடியாது, அவன் பசங்கிட்டையும் பேச முடியாது. இதுதான் நிலைமை. இதுதான் மோஸ்ட் ஆஃப் த எக்ஸிக்யூட்டிவ்ஸ். எவ்வளோ பிரில்லியண்டா இருந்தாலும் அவங்க வேலை, அதாவது அவங்க யூஆர் ட்ரேடிங் யுவர் டைம் ஃபார் மணி, பணம் சம்பாதிக்கிறதுக்காக நம்ம அந்த மாதிரி இது பண்றோம். ஆனா இப்போ என்னைய மாதிரி ஆளுங்க என்னன்னா, இன்னைக்கு என்டர்பிரினர், இன்னைக்கு நான் போகணும்னு நினைச்சா ஆஃபீஸ் போகலாம், வீட்டில இருந்தே நான் ஆப்ரேட் பண்ணலாம். இல்லை 9:30க்கு இப்போ ஆஃபீஸ் வந்து 10 o'clock 9 o'clockனா நான் ஒரு 10 o'clock or 11 o'clock கூட நான் போகலாம். ஸோ and I don't have to go as an entrepreneur. Entrepreneur main concept என்ன? நீங்க வேலை பார்க்கறதா entrepreneurship? No. So என்னன்னா, எம்ப்ளாயர் அப்படிங்கிறவங்க வேலை பார்க்க கூடாது. எம்ப்ளாயியை வச்சு என்ன பண்ணணும்? வேலை வாங்கணும். How many of you know Robert Kiyosaki? Robert Kiyosaki? Yes. So ராபர்ட் கியோஸ்கியோடைய ஒரு 4 quadrant of life தெரியுமா உங்களுக்கு? Can you please explain, sir? Mike, can you please give the mic, sir? No, not that much. Okay, anyway, no problem. So ராபர்ட் கியோஸ்கி வந்து is நமக்கு வந்து rich dad poor dad. Every one of you please buy this book today itself. You are in business, please if you want you can make a note of it. I will tell you, please buy this book. It is available in the platform for about 100 rupees or 150 rupees. You can easily buy this book, Rich Dad, Poor Dad. So in the book what he says, the life he divides into 4 quadrants. So the first quadrant is a employee category, and the next one is a self-employed category, and the third one is entrepreneur, that means employer, and the fourth one is an investor. You read it, you will know, because I am not here to discuss about that subject. Now we are talking about this family pressure will be there. Definitely you need to convince your parents that you will become a successful entrepreneur. When they say, you see, நம்ம பக்கத்து வீட்டு பிரபு இருக்கானே, அவன் இன்ஃபோசிஸ்ல ஒர்க் பண்றான், இன்னொருத்தன் வந்து நம்ம இன்னொருத்தன் வந்து அங்க இதுல ஒர்க் பண்றாங்கிறத சொன்னாங்கன்னு வச்சுங்களேன். இன்னொரு ஃப்ரெண்ட் ராம் தெரியுமா உங்களுக்கு? ராம் ஒரு ஃபேக்டரி வச்சிருக்கான். 10 வருஷத்துக்கு முன்னாடி அவன் ஃபேக்டரி வச்சிருக்கான். இப்ப எப்படி இருக்கான்? அவன் வீடு வாங்கியிருக்கான், அவன் கார் வச்சிருக்கான், இவ்வளவு வசதியா இருக்கான், எத்தனை எம்ப்ளாயிஸ் வேலை பார்க்கறாங்க, அவனுக்கு சொசைட்டில எவ்வளவு ரெஸ்பெக்ட் வருது, அதை பத்தி நீங்க அவங்களுக்கு சொல்லுங்க. சோ ஒரு விஷயங்க, நம்மளால வந்து முடியும்னு நினைச்சு முயற்சி பண்ணா கண்டிப்பா முடியும். முடியாத எதுவுமே கிடையாது ஆக்சுவலா வந்து லைஃப்ல. ஆனா நமக்கு அந்த ஒரு முயற்சிக்கான நம்ம சாக்ரிஃபைஸ் பண்ணணும். ஒழுங்கா நம்ம ஒரு பிசினஸ் பண்ணணும்னு சொல்லி சொல்றோம்னா, பிகாஸ் அவங்க பயப்படுறதுக்கு காரணம் இருக்கு. ஏன்னா ஏதாவது ஒரு இன்வெஸ்ட்மெண்ட் பண்ணுவாங்க, அவங்ககிட்ட இருந்து பணம் வாங்கி தான் பண்ண முடியும் ஒரு பிசினஸ் பண்ணணும்னா. நீங்க அப்போ அந்த பணத்தை நாளைக்கு லூஸ் பண்ணிட்டீங்கன்னு வச்சுங்களேன், அவங்க ஹார்ட் ஏர்ன்டு மணியா இருக்கும். 20 வருஷம் 30 வருஷம் கவர்மெண்ட்ல எங்கன்னா வேலை பார்த்து கஷ்டப்பட்டு சம்பாதிச்சு வீட்டை வாங்கியிருப்பாங்க, அல்லது லோன் கட்டியிருப்பாங்க, அவங்க சிஸ்டர்ஸ் எல்லாம் மேரேஜ் பண்றதுக்காக பணம் வச்சிருப்பாங்க, அதை வந்து உங்களோட பிசினஸ்ல கொடுத்தாங்க. ஸோ ட்ரை டு ஐடென்டிஃபை த பிசினஸ். அந்த ரிஸ்கை நீங்க அவாய்ட் பண்ணுங்க. எங்கிட்ட நீங்க பணம் கொடுக்க வேண்டாம், உங்களோட கொடுக்காமே நாங்க பண்றோம். there are so many new .com opportunities are available actually. இன்னைக்கு இந்த மொபைல் ஆப் வச்சு நிறைய பிசினஸ் பண்றாங்க. so I can tell you some of the models. so pressure can be from the family. Definitely you have to have a positive mind to overcome such situation. இப்போ ஃபேமிலியில் இருக்கிறவங்கள நீங்க கன்வின்ஸ் பண்ணணும். அதுக்காக நீங்க சண்டை போட்டுட்டு நான் வேட்டை விட வெளில போறேன்றதெல்லாம் that is not ideal actually. You be the part of the system. See, today when you have to, tomorrow you have to convince your thousands of customers. உண்மையா இல்லையா? ஆயிரக்கணக்கான கஸ்டமரை நீங்க நாளைக்கு கன்வின்ஸ் பண்ணணும்னு நினைக்கும் போது உங்களை பெத்த அம்மாவையும் அப்பாவை உங்களால கன்வின்ஸ் பண்ண முடியாதா? முடியுமா முடியாதா? பட் ஒன்னு, அவங்க கொஞ்சம் பொறுமையா இருக்கணும். we need to explain. யாருமே ஒரு நம்ம ஃபேக்ட்ஸ் அண்ட் ஃபிகர்ஸோட நம்ம எக்ஸ்பிளைன் பண்ணா நாளைக்கு நீங்க சக்சஸ் பண்ணிட்டீங்கன்னா, சக்சஸ் அவங்களுக்கு வந்து ஃபெயிலியர் ஆயிடக்கூடாது. நீங்க அவ்வளவுதான், அதுதான் அவங்களுடைய மெயின் ரீசன். அப்ப ஃபெயிலியர் ஆகாத அளவுக்கு நம்மளுடைய நாலேஜ் நம்ம இம்ப்ரூவ் பண்ணிக்கிட்டு ஒரு மினிமம் ரிஸ்க் உள்ள ஒரு பிசினஸ்ல we can enter into it. so next is an investment. கொஞ்ச நேரத்துக்கு முன்னாடி உங்ககிட்ட சொன்னேன், there is an investment opportunity. இன்னைக்கு வந்து நீங்க வந்து கிரெடிட் கேரண்டி ஸ்கீம்னு ஒன்னு இருக்கு கவர்மெண்ட்ல. அவங்க சென்ட்ரல் கவர்மெண்ட் இஸ் கிவிங் no investment, no security, collateral free security. நீங்க லோன் ப்ராப்பர்ட்டில அது கொடுக்க வேணாம், அவங்க பேங்க்ல லோன் கொடுக்குறாங்க. அது ஒரு 10 lakhs அந்த மாதிரி. இன்ஃபேக்ட் என்னோட ஒரு யூனிட்டுக்கு நான் ஃபர்ஸ்ட் வாங்கினது கிரெடிட் கேரண்டி ஸ்கீம்ல. இன்னைக்கு வரைக்கும் 10 வருஷம் ஆச்சு. இன்னைக்கு வரைக்கும் the same bank I am maintaining. You can what to say, ask about the credibility. Not even a single check in the past 10 yearsல எவ்வளோ கஸ்டமர்ஸ்க்கு நாங்க செக் கொடுக்குறோம். மாசம் ஒரு 100 செக்காவது நாங்க எழுதுறோம். ஒரு செக் கூட நீங்க ரிட்டர்ன் ஆயிருக்காது. so we have to have the discipline, financial discipline. bankers, then only we will respect us actually வந்து. அப்ப இன்வெஸ்ட்மெண்ட் இல்லைன்னு நீங்க கவலைப்பட வேண்டியதில்லை. நீங்க ப்ரூவ் பண்ணுங்க, நீங்க உங்ககிட்ட நல்ல ப்ராஜெக்ட் இருக்குன்னு சொல்லுங்க. I am there to definitely. நீங்க அந்த மாதிரி எதனா ஆப்பர்ச்சுனிட்டி உங்க டைரக்டர் மூலமா என்னை கான்டாக்ட் பண்ணுங்க. I will organize investors. your project viable. ஃபர்ஸ்ட் விஷயம் வந்து நமக்கு நம்ம மேல கான்ஃபிடன்ஸ் இருக்கணும். ஃபர்ஸ்ட் விஷயம் வந்து we have to have the confidence in us. point number 1. point number 2 வந்து we should have the confidence in the concept or the idea which we are planning. அதுல நம்மளுக்கு கான்ஃபிடன்ஸ் இல்லைன்னு வச்சுங்களேன், அரைக்குறையா வந்து கேட்கறோம், ஏதோ இப்படி கேட்க வருவாங்க, சார் இந்த மாதிரி ஒரு ப்ராஜெக்ட் இருக்கு, இந்த மாதிரி கொண்டு, சரி இதெல்லாம் சரியா வராதுப்பா, அப்படியா சார், சரி சார் பார்க்கலாம் சார், கிளம்பு. திஸ் இஸ் நாட் சார், whether you finance it or not, I am going to do this project. One day you will see me doing this business successfully. அப்படின்ற கான்ஃபிடன்ஸ் உங்களுக்கு இருந்தாதான் உங்களை அந்த அளவுக்கு உங்களுக்கு வந்து ஃபேக்ட்ஸ் அண்ட் ஃபிகர்ஸோட நீங்க போய் மீட் பண்ணணும். ஏன்னா ஃபைனான்சியர் வந்து will expect your lot of confidence. So investment is not a problem. Now can we remove these two issues? Family, can we convince? Yes sir, சத்த வர மாட்டேங்குது. Friends, I am here not for money. I want your full cooperation. If you don't like, Please tell me any idea. I don't have anything. I don't have to, what to say, ask you for any favor. In fact, I am trying to, we are here to spend our time. I need your sincere this thing. I think many of you have mobiles, I know that. Please listen for 10-15 minutes, because this is wasting our resources. I should not feel, or my friends should not feel that we are wasting our time here. So we can remove the difficulty of the family difficulty, family pressure, we can remove. We can convince our parents. If you have a good project, I am ready to talk to your father and mother for your kind information. Now, investment, government is there, no security is required, you can go for the investment. Now, come to the education and expertise. How many of you think the education what we have is enough to start a business? This education what you have is not enough? Huh? Okay. How many of you know Rajagopal of Hotel Saravana Bhavan? Hotel Saravana Bhavan. No? Hotel Saravana Bhavan owner nu othirukkarla. Adu yaro otru owner irupparla. Purudha ungalku? And the owner education enna theriyuma? Huh? LKS Gold House எடுத்துங்க. ஸோ இந்த மாதிரி நிறைய பேர்த்த எடுத்தீங்கன்னா ப்ராப்பர் எஜுகேஷன் கிடையாது. அவங்க வந்து ஒரு ஸ்கூல் டிராப் அவுட்ஸாக இருப்பாங்க. உங்களுக்கு மைக்ரோசாஃப்ட் பில்கேட்ஸ் தெரியும் உங்களுக்கு. ஸோ அதனால எஜுகேஷனுக்கும் நீங்க பண்ண போற பிசினஸ்க்கும் சம்பந்தம் கிடையாது. ஆனா ஃபார்ச்சுனேட்லி யூ ஆர் ஆல் இன் a management institute. You are getting all the necessary tools, steps, ideas from this great institution. You can do business. One more thing, in case you whatever you think you don't have the knowledge, you can update periodically. Knowledge is anytime you can learn. You jump into it, you start the business, you will learn. Like hotel business, many people will say, no, I don't know anything about hotel business. What do you need to know? Mother, you think about our mother, daily she is doing cooking. You have to be thankful to her. So, see, you think about her. That is a hotel. So, education and experience. எனக்கு ஏதோ சொல்லுவோம் இல்லையா, எனக்கு எஜுகேஷன் சரியில்லை சார், எனக்கு எக்ஸ்பீரியன்ஸ் இல்லை சார், அதனால என்னால் பிஸ்னஸ் ஸ்டார்ட் பண்ண முடியாது அப்படின்னு சொல்லி சொன்னா that is not acceptable. Can we go ahead? Have I removed 3 things from your mind? Family, no problem. Family pressure will be there, but we can manage because we are management graduates. Can we manage? Right. Now we can manage the investment. Okay, can we manage the education and experience? No need of degree, the certificates and all. You go to the library, go to the Google. Google is the guru today for many things. You spend time in Google, you will learn lot of things. So now come to the next. Do you think you can't find a suitable business? Do you think you can't find a suitable business matching to your community, or you can call it as your education or your interest? Some people will not be interested in some business, like giving finance. Finance is a business. Okay, microfinance is a business. Financial institution starting a chit fund company is a finance. But somebody may not like it. But doesn't mean that you don't have opportunities. There are so many opportunities. How to find a right business for us? Can anyone of you tell? How to find a right business for us? SWOT analysis is very good. I will tell you, there used to be a term in English, people used to say, invent the wheel. I will say here, don't reinvent the wheel. See the successful businesses. Go out. Stand near Satyam Theatre for a while. You understand. Juice that one, normally that Nair tea stall will be there most of the time you see. What are all the Nair stall you get? You get the buttermilk, you get the juice, you get all the this murukku mixture sweet or whatever it is. So he sells the biscuits, he sells the chocolate. Do you think he is an entrepreneur or not? He is an entrepreneur? Okay. So we having studied MBA, I cannot go and study in a stand in a street corner. Acceptable. Don't take that business. Look at the alternate business. Okay. You go to the Satyam theatre. There is a parking lot. Parking lot is used to be normally a contract, isn't it? Somebody will take a contract. Why don't you become a contractor of this? That is also an entrepreneur. You set up an outlet in city center. Set up an outlet for some product. It may be mostly food products are mostly in the malls and all is good selling products. Okay, so I will tell you how you can choose the right business for you. Now, that is what I told you, customer. The product what or the line which you are choosing should have customer demand. There is no point in going and selling a product which is not, which customer don't have a demand actually. Like umbrella can be sold in rainy season. You cannot have an exclusive showroom for umbrella for year long. Can we have? We cannot have. It's a seasonal business. So when you have to have umbrella, you can have the other items. What else? Helmet or added items. Raincoats or you add the businesses. What is the relevant business? Like when we started whiteboards or marker boards, we have started the next level is a projector. I wanted to tell you that story of the projector. I told you the newspaper, then we lost it. I'll tell you one, this is very, very important for you. Every day I used to read the newspaper. I am talking about 5-6 years back. 6-7 years back actually. When I saw the newspaper, there was an advertisement which said somebody is starting an air hostess. You know air hostess? What is air hostess? Airlines. You know air hostess. So that training institute somebody is starting in Ananagar. I saw the newspaper and I wanted to sell whiteboards. What I wanted to sell? Whiteboards or a green board or a notice board. This is my business 7 years back. Now I called her. She said, sir, I don't have requirement for whiteboards, whereas I need projectors. What she said? I need projectors. Then I said, okay madam, we will get back to you. Then immediately what I said, I contacted the projector supplier where, I know who is the wholesaler. Sometime back I supplied whiteboards to them. Then I called him, sir, somebody want 2 projectors. 2 projectors they wanted. Very evening, and the same day evening, SD card option, Panasonic, SD, P1 SD I think, that is Panasonic P1 SD, there is a model. You don't need a laptop for projector, you can just insert a small SD card and you can run the presentation. You just connect and you can use it. So that projector, that day evening I went and did the demonstration. Very next day she gave the order for 2 projectors along with the full payment, and the profit is 10,000 rupees. The previous day newspaper I saw, the next day I earned 10,000 rupees. Whereas is it my business? It's not my business. Now, when I can see, thing is that newspaper you have to read and you have to take into action by seeing it. Today, our company is selling projectors, selling smart boards. That is the beginning for it. Don't neglect any small opportunity. It may be today small. Don't worry about it. Tomorrow it will grow. Today we are doing about at least 5 crore worth of turnover of materials we are doing every year in the technology company alone. We are giving 20 plus employees the opportunities. It is a small beginning. So the customer needs, you based on the customer has a need, based on that you address. Now, scalability. Do we have a business? Are we in business? Can the business grow? Today I am in writing boards business. When I start with one school, Chennai, next location. All over India we want to go. Kanchipuram, Vellore, you go to any city, everywhere education institution is there. So my business is scalable or not? My dear friends, my business is scalable or not? Can I take it to all over India? Okay. Many of you, if anybody, even after my this thing, if you don't want to become an entrepreneur, become a best employee, we will train you. You can become an employee. We will give you the opportunity for that. And this, and I don't like this, what is it, clapping. I like my friends to become an entrepreneur. That is more important. I can get a good employee. That is okay. That is a different issue. Become an entrepreneur. So let us rub our shoulders. Now I suddenly become a Swamiji. My name, because my name is Durai Swami. I have become a Swamiji. I will tell you 3 mantras. Even after telling this much, if you don't want to become an entrepreneur, then that is why I have decided I will become a Swamiji. Do you like these mantras? Can we go with the mantras so that we will become entrepreneur? At least something we have to do so that we can become, we can make people entrepreneurs. Okay? You are not ready to, no, we will stop with this. I think you are not interested in listening the mantras. You want? 100%. Desperately you want? Okay. We will start. Okay? Mantra number 1. No sound. Tell with the sound louder. Okay? This is mantra number 1. Okay, I think if by this time some thought process would have come to your mind, you will become an entrepreneur. Point number 2. Now? Okay? Now you are 60% entrepreneurs. The 90% will make it. My job is over, and after 6 months, all of you will become entrepreneurs. Does that less? This program is over. I know. Okay, come to the 3 mantras. Please note it down if you have a notebook. This is going to be. This is not the mantras. This is not something. This is for fun. I made it. Just we will go to the first one. First mantra is willingness to learn. I told you in the beginning, in the first about mindset. See, if you program your mind till my death, I will not stop learning. That is more important. Many of the businesses today failed. You know why? Because they have not upgraded. They have not learned how to be at par with the competition. Can you tell anyone an example for the recent failure? Nokia. Yes, my dear friend Muni is telling Nokia is a failure, isn't it? Why? They had the greatest confidence. My product is the best in the world. Nobody can come into my market. That is a failure. HMT watches, but many of you may not know. When I was a school student, I used to that market was there actually. No HMT hereafter. And another business, Hindustan Motors. So, but whereas the same time, the company Ford used to they started their factory and the business. Are they selling the same, that Henry Ford, there is a small saying the people used to say, he used to sell only cars with one particular color. People used to come and ask, I think maybe you all know, I think you all, brainy guys. So, thing is, people will come and ask Henry Ford, sir, I want a blue color, I want green color. All of you write, whatever color you want, you write. But we will give only black color. Whereas, this is the situation today, but the people used to be in queues for such a black color car. Today, the color combination, customization. We call it as, I think if time permits, I can tell you about the mass customization. Each and every customer is different today. He wants a personalized solution. Each and everything. My need is different from my friend's need. So customization is going on. Now, so what we need to do, whether we are a student, whether about health, whether about business, you have to have a constant learning. Learn. Continuous process. You complete your MBA, throw your books? No. Go and keep this book. After 10 years also, this MBA books may be relevant for you. Some topics you can take. We forget the basic things. Most of the executives who join in the job, very basic thing they forget. What is the very basic thing? Hello, saying hello. And end, what we say? Thank you. This is very, I mean, what else is a customer service, you tell me? Any product you sell, this is very basic. But we don't learn this. I am pretty, because I am having graduates, they don't have this, they lack this. Who will teach this, you tell me? We only have to learn. This director of this institution has given me a great opportunity. I should thank him while going, isn't it? So, when if you have received something, you have to thank and go, isn't it? It's a very small basic things actually. But we don't do it. So, willingness to learn. Then we have the mantra number 2. What is mantra number 2? So, first we said, first 3 mantras initially I told. What is the second mantra? Huh? Okay. Now, mantra number 2 is, same thing, willingness to change. நான் மாறவே மாட்டேன் சார், நான் இப்படி தான் சார் இருப்பேன், நீங்கள் என்ன வேணால் சொல்லுங்கள் சார், சொல்லிட்டு போங்க சார், நீங்கள் என்ன பண்ணிடுவீங்க நீங்கள்? No. See, when you are coming for a meeting, when you are coming to a school, there is some preparation is there. You have to prepare, and if you are having a problem in haircut, shaving, because all this corporate requires actually, or a dress, if you are not putting ironing, we have to iron. We have to be careful in all those things. People are watching us. How you dress, how you have your bag, how you carry the things. Lot of things we need to change by looking at the others. Other best practices we have to look at, and we have to change ourselves. Then we have the next mantra. Let me go quickly, which is willingness to work. என்ன வேலை கொடுத்தாலும் அப்பா சொன்னாலும் கேட்க மாட்டேன், அம்மா சொன்னாலும் கேட்க மாட்டேன், டீச்சர் சொன்னாலும் கேட்க மாட்டேன், நம்ம மைண்டில் பிளாக் பண்ணி வச்சுக்குவோம். நம்ம போங்க சார், வேலைக்கு வராது சார், இது சரியாக வராது சார், எல்லாமே எதை எடுத்தாலும் நம்ம வந்து நெகட்டிவாக போயிட்டே இருந்தோம்னா இட் இஸ் நாட் கோயிங் டு பி. ஸோ ஐ நீட் யூ டு லேர்ன் அண்ட் சேஞ்ச். ஆல்சோ யூ ஹேவ் டு ஒர்க். வில்லிங்னஸ் டு ஒர்க். ஐ எம் நாட் டெல்லிங் டு ஒர்க். வில்லிங்னஸ் வேணும். வேலை செய்ய சார், நீங்க என்ன வேலை கொடுத்தாலும் சார், சார் பிரியாணி போட்டில் 10 கோடி டெலிவரி பண்ண சொல்றீங்களா, கொண்டு வரேன் சார் நான். புரியுதா? எனக்கு என்ன கொடுப்பீங்க சார்? அதுக்கு 10 ரூபா கொடுப்பீங்களா? ஒரு பிரியாணி 100. ஓகே, நோ ப்ராப்ளம். நோ ஜாப் இஸ் a less dignified job as long as you learn something. Every learning is an opportunity, my dear friends. When you are given a voluntary work, if you go and do that work, you are learning something. Don't think that you are not learning anything. See, maybe you want to earn something. Do some community service. During the rain, how many of you helped others? During rain, how many of you helped others? Okay, so you got the possibility. You know how to help people who are in difficulty. That is a learning. In your family, if somebody is there, you will help, because this learning will help tomorrow. So now I quickly go. I have got you have to listen to my friend Muni. Is a great guy. So business models, I told you we have the business models like franchisee model, family business. How many of you have family business? Okay, 1, 2, 3. Please raise. I am not able to count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, 7 of you have the family business. Would you like to continue the family business? No. First, you want to expand? Let us all give a big clap to him first. Because I tell you, somehow people don't regard the our parents' great difficulties. You know, I had a great difficulty in establishing my business. I had to run from pillar to post. Whereas when my children come to the business, it is an easy walk. But provided this is much more challenge. If I am doing X, my children have to do 10x. That is, but I will give you all the experience. Please don't underestimate parents' knowledge and see, he may not be educated. That is a different issue. But they are visionaries. Today, you know, how many of you know the Aditya Birla Group? Birla Sunlight, Birla, lot of things are there, no? Birla Cement and all. So, today, you know what is, how big is the company? Please go to the website and see this. When the second generation, third generation comes, the business goes to a very, very big level actually. So, family business, please don't neglect. If they are doing, please see how you can expand geographically, how you can grow. Now you have network marketing and another opportunity. You have .com business. Today you create an app, you get money or something, create some facility. So now we have innovative business models and approach. You go to the net, you can see the newspaper, and as I told you earlier, don't reinvent the wheel. That we will do after one or two businesses. Like today I am doing couple of businesses which I am trying to innovate. So start something which is profitable, which will bring reputation to you, which will get you married. That is more important. As you said, you have to get married. That is, so you can't do the research about the new business and all actually. Now start with the name selection. Now you need to select a good name for your business. These are all couple of names which we have selected, and even the creator, the logo, every effort we have to, take care of our thing, from the name selection, company registration, product selection. We have to be different. How can we be different? There is one saying which says, if you want to be, if you continue to do the same thing, you will continue to get the same result. People used to say, like your parents' business, if you want to take care, now you have to come with new ideas, new logos, new branding, new advertisement policies, programs. So that is it. Now that you have a lot of online initiatives are there today. Promotion of the company is forming a company. Promotion of your company is no time. You know WhatsApp, you have website, you have Facebook, you have Twitter. Reaching people is very fast. You can see. You know the Flipkart's history. Please go through the Flipkart's history. How fast he has grown. Today, what is the level he is into? So I think what is the time now? 4:40. So I think I have to stop with this. I can talk more. If you all wish, you please give your feedback to the director, and we will talk more, because I am telling you, I am not a like your professor or faculty. I am an extrovert. Whatever I feel like, I am talking, because based on my success only I can speak. Based on my results I am speaking. I can speak more when you have the time more. Now let me call Mr. Muni Rathinam on the stage. Muni Rathinam is the CEO of iGlobe Systems, which is an energy company. Actually, they are into solar and other businesses. And Muni Rathinam and myself are the classmates in IIM Ahmedabad. We did a certificate program for 10 days on new generation entrepreneurship, actually. So over to Muni. So he will talk. He will give some inputs to you. Please listen to him.